everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today we're going to take some beautiful trade. Markets looking very nice, even though this is weekend, but the markets looks great. Look at this trade right here. First touch, second touch, third touch, it's breaking that. Also, it's combined with this doji break. I did take this trade, but unfortunately I didn't push the record button. Okay, so I got two trades on this one, right? And I'm just going to look for other pairs, right? So today, all right, we have an opportunity right here. This doji is so huge, you know, if you have this kind of doji in this kind of ranging market, you never want to miss that, right? We have market sequence, everything ready for us to take a buy, but this gap up right here, okay, we got go with the buyers right now. We have also, you know, we were inside of this major ranging market previously, see this range, and now we broke up and we are moving to the upside, but we have slightly uptrend. Okay, we have it in this price channel and then broke, pulled back to this area, and now we are inside of this range. So now market trying to break this range to the upside, right? And this is a enough. All right, if the market was touching here, I would probably add. This is a very nice common point of rejection. Also, we have market sequence right here. I'm expecting the buyer's candle. We got this gap down. We're totally in the direction of the market. So this is basically my second trade. Let's get it. Today's market looks good. I don't know why. Usually at the weekends, market looks like trash. Oh, look at that. We have a support area right here. But it's not exactly closing at the support area. You see this gap up in the favor of sellers, so it's risky. All right, but this breakout will be nice. I will take this breakout, right? Let's just put this right here, check out the next pairs to see if there's any other opportunity. Absolute uptrend. We always want to go in the direction of the market. We don't want to go against it. All right, let's see. It's about to close now. I will take this breakout. I would really like if we start from a gap down. Please. Gap down. It didn't give us a gap down, but I took it anyways. Let me just draw the line. This is my exact line. It's basically starting from the same level. It's not breaking that. I'm adding one more. I know that this candle will have a rejection. Yeah, it's not really breaking it, but that's totally fine. The support probably gonna work. We see the bars, we see the sellers are pretty weak right here. If you focus on these two candles, it didn't really create a lower low compared to previous candles. So this is a sign of weakness. So the market is deciding if it's going to react from this support, or if we were to break this support, we should have seen a strong seller's push. So it would be a decision to break that, and we could trade on the decision point later. So it would be, if we were breaking this, it would be a decision point, just like that. Next time price would come up, we would take a sell. Okay, so it would be still a good opportunity for us to take a trade. Yeah, so here we are generally in a supporting area in the market, but that's not a good reason. The main reason why I did take this trade, I thought this is a breakout, and still this is a good one. If we have a support and it's third touch exactly closing on that, we can take the trade. And yeah, let me just see if there's any other opportunity. All right. Right, in this case, we have major downtrend, right? And this is a minor uptrend for us. All right, it seems that we have a decision point inside of it. Let me just draw this line, draw this zone for us. It's not that where respected has been broken up once, but and this inside of this we should have a supply for market to react. And all right, it doesn't load that. Come on. All right, let's go one more. All right, I think the market is reacting from this one. You see this fresh supply zone down here. It's probably reacting from this one, but it's not a very high quality trade, I would say, because we don't have a very well respected support area. Okay, if I draw this exactly, this is a fresh supply for me, you see that? And if I go to 1 minute, and if we zoom in to this area, it's pretty much touching it. Yes, exactly touching it, but I'm not sure if I would take this trade, right? Because this support area, it's not a well respected support. For example, if we had this kind of movement and then this breakout, it would be a well respected support for me, right? But this one is kind of risky to take, right? So yeah, let's just see if there's any other opportunity. I will just look for the other pairs, and we need to be really patient looking for the trades. We don't want to take random trades, bad trades. All right, so now for the practice, what would you detect the movement of the market? It's moving up, right? It's moving up. So it's going up. And if we zoom in, you see that we previously had a price channel, a choppy way of, you know, market moving. And then we broke this, just going up like crazy. All right, so is this a good, like, is it good to go against these kind of momentums? You have very minimum chance of winning a trade going against this kind of momentum. This is kind of crazy momentum, and it's, you know, not logical to go against that kind of momentum, even if you have a sell setup right there. We have a beautiful gap up right here. Look at that. We have a resistance area, and this is a gap up starting from a level. This would be a beautiful trade. Unfortunately, we were not at this chart. Yeah, so we see a gap down. I want to take this trade right now. Let's get it. We have a support area. You see this support? This is beautiful. I mean, this support area is so accurate. You know, and it's exactly closing on that one. Let's see if they're gonna reject. And I think my problem in this trade is I did go against the momentum. I usually do not do this, but I think I deserve this loss right here, to be honest with you. And I'm just trading reckless. This trade wasn't good. All right, no problem. I usually do not take that kind of trades as a double trade because I really want to lower my risk. Oh, look at this beautiful doji break, man. I missed that. Yeah, so that was a problem by me. That was a mistake. If you have a trade that you're not sure and it doesn't look good, just take smaller amount. Do not double trade or triple trade on a trade that doesn't look good, doesn't have enough reasons to take, right? That's kind of gambling if you do that. For example, on this one, I would triple trade, right? But on that one, it was against the momentum, you know, it was just only one reason. So it wasn't nice. Okay, I'm expecting the breakout right here. I'm not going to go with the sellers. And this one looks bad. All right, now if I see a candle closing down here, I will take a sell. I will take a sell if I see a candle closing right here. But if I see this as a red one, all right, I go with the sellers for 2 trades. If this was a red one like that, I would go with the buyers, right? Because I know that this is an engulfing pattern. This is a clear high, we got the retracement as a red. But since this is green and it's closing below this resistance area, I'm assuming that the sellers might enter again. So I'm not going with the buyers on this one. It's also a minor downtrend. It has been coming down and now we are inside of this ranging market. So we are at the resistance area. It wouldn't make sense to go with the buyers here. But after this candle, I might go with the buyers. I have to check the lower time frame to see what we have inside of the doji. I mean, inside of this engulf. All right, dropping to the Brazilian. All right, we have this demand area down here. Please drop. Let's go. I entered right here. Oh man, it's a late entry again. You see this demand area? I add one more. Let's go one more. The better entry. Beautiful. Now market should go up. Beautiful. Did you see this beautiful supply area? So basically this is supply and we found the supply inside of it and we know that this is going to be a breakout. So we're going with the market's direction again. These 2 entries are beautiful. This entry is because of, I think, connection stuff. But yeah, this was a good trade. And yeah, overall this was a good session. I hope you enjoyed and peace out.